Chiliz cost especially equivalent to $0.1171 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, 0.1160, 0.1198, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 0.1187 in a significant way. The change generally was 0.0016. 1.35% truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Converse rate, United States dollars to Chz, which is very critical. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $0.12, essentially most extreme 0.13, truly least 0.11 in an every practical sense enormous way. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, walk 16, cost $0.13, most certainly greatest 0.14, genuinely least 0.12, which certainly is very critical. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, walk 17, cost $0.13, by and large greatest 0.14, for the most part least 0.12. Chiliz figure on Monday, walk 20, cost $0.14, truly greatest 0.15, genuinely least 0.13 in a truly significant way. In multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $0.13 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.14, genuinely least 0.12 amazingly. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $0.12, most extreme 0.13, truly least 0.11. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, walk 23, cost $0.12, truly greatest 0.13, sort of least 0.11. Chiliz estimate on Friday, walk 24, cost $0.12, essentially most extreme 0.13, really least 0.11, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, walk 27, cost $0.12, sort of greatest 0.13, genuinely least 0.11 in a by and large significant manner. In about 14 days Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $0.12, exceptionally most extreme 0.13, certainly least 0.11, which essentially is very huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $0.11, all things considered, most extreme 0.12, exceptionally least 0.10, which especially is genuinely critical. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, walk 30, cost $0.11, sort of greatest 0.12, exceptionally least 0.10. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, walk 31, cost $0.12, really greatest 0.13, for the most part least 0.11, exhibiting how Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, walk 31, cost $0.12, greatest 0.13, least 0.11 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz gauge on Monday, April 3, cost $0.12, for the most part greatest 0.13, exceptionally least 0.11. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, April 4, cost $0.12, essentially most extreme 0.13, fundamentally least 0.11, so Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, walk 23, cost $0.12, beautiful greatest 0.13, truly least 0.11, or so they really thought. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, April 5, cost $0.12, all things considered, greatest 0.13, truly least 0.11, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost $0.12, beautiful greatest 0.13, extremely least 0.11, which basically shows that truly converse rate. United States dollars to Chz, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, April 7, cost $0.12, certainly most extreme 0.13, most certainly least 0.11. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $0.12, most extreme 0.13, certainly least 0.11 in a by and large significant manner. In about a month Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, April 11, cost $0.12, most extreme 0.13, least 0.11 in a really significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.12, for the most part greatest 0.13, truly least 0.11, which certainly shows that Chiliz estimate on Friday, walk 24, cost $0.12, truly greatest 0.13, really least 0.11 in a quite huge way. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, April 13, cost $0.12, truly greatest 0.13, for the most part least 0.11, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to CHZ swapping scale especially equivalent to 8.5422 coins per $1, showing how Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, in an especially significant manner. Today's reach, 8.3462 to 8.6172, showing how in multi-week Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $0.13, sort of greatest 0.14, all things considered, least 0.12, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The past AS nearby, 8.4265 in an unpretentious way, change for now plus 0.1157. Plus 1.37%. United States dollars to CHZ cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 8.333 coins, sort of greatest 9.091, fundamentally least 7.692. Which especially shows that Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, April 13, cost $0.12, most certainly greatest 0.13. Especially least 0.11, which especially is very critical. United States dollars to CHZ forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost 7.692 coins, sort of most extreme 8.333, least 7.143, showing how the past AS nearby, 8.4265 in a huge way. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Friday, walk 17, cost 7.692 coins, kind of greatest 8.333, essentially least 7.143. United States dollars to CHZ expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost 7.143 coins, most certainly greatest 7.692. Especially least 6.667 in an especially enormous way. In multi-week dollar to Chiliz figure on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 7.692 coins, really greatest 8.333, beautiful least 7.143 amazingly. United States dollars to CHZ forecast on Wednesday, walk 22, cost 8.333 coins, genuinely greatest 9.091, kind of least 7.692. Really in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Thursday, walk 23, cost 8.333 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 9.091,